Okay, not all drones are created equally. Let's check this one out. I'm going to do an unboxing in this video, and in the next video, we'll fly it. I love that it comes in a sturdy carry case to keep it all protected and all the parts and pieces together. Little manual of unboxing and the setup. This is just covering the remote and showing you the different functions and uses of all the buttons. I love having this because it tells you the functions of each of the buttons on the remote without having to go into the book and read the manual. So you just compare the buttons on here to the remote control, which is so easy. So this is saying photo and video buttons are up here. The speed control and the 3D flip are here. You have emergency stop. You have the power switch. You have the headless mode, the control throttle, the turn left and right functions, backward and forward fine tuning, and then of course the control direction. This, I feel like all things should have this with a remote instead of having to go and refer to the instruction manual and find the page. That makes it so simple. You have an extra box of accessories with the fan blades and screwdriver and the charging cable, the propellers. Here's the remote itself. Battery on the back. And then here is the drone. The cameras. I love being able to keep it all together nice and neat like this. There you have it. Check out my next video to see how it flies.